Welcome back to the channel. Today we have very big news in the tech and the chip market. President Donald Trump said that Nvidia is now allowed to export its H200 AI chips to China. He also said that similar deals may come soon for AMD and Intel. This news is important because it affects the AI chip market, the China tech market, big US companies like Nvidia, AMD, and Intel, and of course their stock prices. I will explain more. Let's get started. What happened? Trump announced that Nvidia can now export its H200 AI chips to China. These chips are very powerful and are used for training AI models, data centers, supercomputers, advanced tech systems. For the last year, the US had strict rules that stopped Nvidia from selling these chips to China. Now, Trump says the restriction will be lifted, meaning Nvidia can sell again. He also said deals for AMD and Intel are coming too. This could be a huge change for the chip market. Why is this big news? Here is why investors care. Reason 1. China is a huge customer. China is one of the world's big buyers of advanced chips. If Nvidia can sell the H200 to China again, that means more sales, more revenue, stronger profits, more growth. Reason 2. AI demand in China is exploding. China is trying to build more AI companies and AI tools. They need powerful chips, and Nvidia makes the best ones. Reason 3. AMD and Intel might get the same approval. If AMD and Intel also get permission, then more US chip companies can make money, more competition, more business opportunities in China. This could help the whole semiconductor sector. Why this is good for Nvidia? Let's talk about Nvidia, the main company in this news. Revenue boost. Nvidia has been losing billions of dollars in sales because of export ban. If the H200 chips to the China again, Nvidia could instantly gain huge new orders, stronger global position. Nvidia is the leader in AI chips. Selling to China keeps them ahead of Huawei, AMD, Intel, other chip makers and companies. Investors love growth. More sales, more profits, higher stock price. This news could bring more investor confidence. Why this is good for AMD and Intel? Trump said deals for AMD and Intel are coming soon. This is because AMD wants to sell its new AI chips globally. China can become a major customer. This can help AMD catch up to Nvidia. Intel has new AI chips for data centers. Access to China means billions in new demand. Intel needs this to rebuild its growth story. If all three companies can export again, the whole market could see a big jump. How this affects US-China tech relations? This announcement is also important for politics. For the past 2 years, the China blocked chip US and China also blocked chip exports. China tried to build its own chips. Both sides struggled with rising costs. Allowing chip exports again could reduce tension, increase business, help US companies, speed up global AI development. Investors love stability, and this news brings more stability. How this could move the stock market? Nvidia, AMD, and Intel may all go up because they get access to a large market. They increase revenue. They get stronger international sales. Investors see more long-term growth. This could also help AI companies, data center companies, cloud companies, semiconductor ETFs like SOXS, and SMH. What to watch next? Here are the updates investors should watch. Will the deal be officially confirmed? Today's news is based on Trump's announcement. We need official confirmation from the US government, Nvidia, AMD, Intel. How big will the orders be? China may place very large orders for cheap AI chips. Will China respond? China could make its own announcement or buy more US chips. Will other chip companies join? Other companies like Broadcom may also benefit later. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, please, or you like my videos, please subscribe.